in which we work, you may find that it is not seen as wrong, and you tend to go along with that, thinking that it is quite. You see, social norms, the community norms, the organizational norms play a very important role. And when we are living wherever we are, we adjust to it. Now, for example, of course, it is nothing to do with ethics, but right and wrong.
And he is a value. In fact, sometimes if he's quite popular, people leave their jobs, and visit him in the evening, in the morning, spend 2 to 3 hours with him. It's ethical in our organization. And he's not performing at that point of time. In another organization, and it may be in the public or in the private sector, I'm not saying, performance is most important. And that's an ethic. It's not that it is not in public sectors, but we have separate sets of values. What is value and ethics, which are very related, what is valuable and important to us? In Japan, they say that seniority is the only way you get the promotion. For example, the only way you get slotted to the next position is how senior you are in comparison to others. In the American companies, that's not an ethic. For them, you are meritorious. You bypass the system by taking a shortcut to the top. So there would be some cultural influences on what is ethical. For example, in the traditional conventional companies, coming on time, because there were assembly lines we had in the factories or in our units, and going on time, I'm not sure, but coming on time is a very important ethic. In the software industry, it is the objective which is important. So you must spend time at home, and if you complete the project, you are welcome. Here, even if you don't have work, that day the assembly line is down because it's on maintenance, you must come on, 300 people must come on time, must go home on time.
What does it mean, integrity, for us? Tell me. You have mics.
No difference between saying and doing.
Walking the talk.
Yes.
Good. Excellent. What else?
Go by self-conscious. To go by self-consciousness.
Self-consciousness.
Yeah.
Yes. What else?
Of ethical behavior, one of the speakers mentioned.
Which is very right. Absolutely.
Integrity was defined that way.
Yeah. So, now, once we talk about self-awareness, am I aware of myself? Am I aware of my own integrity? Now, we are talking about business ethics today. So, but if we talk about this, we have to talk first of all personal ethics. Because business ethics start from decision making of individuals. So now, once we talk about this, do we know, am I aware of what is my integrity? Do you agree with me so far? Yeah? So, and what is my integrity? My integrity, and please challenge me, don't believe me, just challenge me if it's not clear. My purpose in life, my vision of life, do you agree with me? Yes? Yeah? So, everything has a purpose in life. This light has a purpose. This curtain has a purpose. This carpet has a purpose. The bird, the sea, the air, the water, everything has a purpose. Huh? Do you agree with me? Yes? Everything? Yes? Okay, what is your purpose? I would like to emphasize is, what is the meaning of integrity? The meaning of integrity is that I walk the talk according to my uniqueness. If I deviate from my uniqueness, I lose my integrity, and I lose my ethics, my principle, my values.